Frankie. Whoa. Hey, Biscay, how'd you get in there? Look at this one finally. I love how he
Yeah.
his rear end. He's gonna hurt himself again. Goes barreling into the cage. Look at he's talking to his brothers. La 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 la. Little ballerina. Oh, nice. Hey,
No, where is he?
Let Dino do his business.
Buddy, what are you doing over here? Don't you see that cage in front of you? Oh, God.
Glad you can't disturb Sammy right now.
He wants to.
Yeah, he does, but he's on the wrong side of the fence.
I don't think he sees the fence.
Yeah, maybe you're right, actually. Whoa! Joey goes for a rear attack.
Hey, kitty cat.
They gallop.
I know.
They make a little galloping sound. Oh, look at.
Whoa, whoa.
There's a rumble in the cage.
Excuse me. Look, they just get stationary when you hold them.
They're like, all right, you got me. They're rumbling in the cage.
This cat.
Look at this one. Dean prefers a much more stealth approach.
Yeah.
Frankie's all lazy.